All right, it's groceries day. I actually came back from my vacation where, you always, when you come from vacation, you don't have anything at home, which makes sense because I'm not gonna buy food before I go, because of course I'm not gonna use it for like a week or whatever the time you leave. So now I just got some groceries at Costco. I didn't record at Costco because I was talking to someone, one of my neighbors, which is my friend from school, but we were talking, we were stuff, so I decided to not record that part. So I was like, let me record from Costco to Walmart, and because it's more time. So now I just got the beginning of the grocery shop. I think I didn't get everything I needed. I don't know, I feel like I forgot something, and I don't know what was it, but I'm going to Walmart. So Walmart, I'm gonna get some chicken, I'm gonna get some onion, we're gonna get some stuff for me to be able to cook on the week, which I actually think I'm gonna have to cook something for tomorrow. I'm gonna have to prepare something for tomorrow. So let's get to Walmart. Should be a nice drive, should be way better than just going at 5-6 o'clock. 7:54, so I might be there by 8 o'clock. I might be on Walmart already inside. So let's get to work, let's get to the drive, let's enjoy this drive, see what we got here with the traffic and with people driving. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about the trip and everything that I did. Now I'm back, and I'm back to work. I'm back to every single thing I have to do. I'm preparing some content, I'm preparing some stuff, and new ideas that I've been developing and actually thinking and rethinking. So it's a nice Toyota Supra. All right, so let's get there. Should be fast, should be a fast drive, should be fast, and I should be there in like probably less than 5 minutes. We already on the lane that I need to be, so I miss driving here on Greenville, I miss doing this on South Carolina, this big road. Oh shit, he don't know where he going. The roads, the streets are fine, the highway. I love driving in here. I love driving faster, yeah, back here, man. So yeah, finish with Costco, then just get a Walmart, something on Walmart. Then I'm coming back and I'm preparing a bowl with some cottage cheese and stuff, so I can eat something for the night. And then I want to get some probably chocolate milk, which I don't know if this is good for my stomach, because I feel like my stomach has been really bad this last couple of days, and I don't know why. I don't know if it's a chocolate milk, I don't know if whatever that it is, it's not good. So I think I shouldn't actually drink chocolate milk. So I think I'm gonna stop the chocolate milk, and I'm just gonna drink regular milk. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Oh, it's green now. Yeah, I knew it was gonna take me less than 5 minutes. Now I'm just gonna have to wait here a minute. I feel like it's very bright. Alright, I feel like the camera the GoPro feels kind of weird. I don't know why. But I don't know if I touched something. I don't know if I did like a setting. I don't know. The last video was trash. Like the FPS, like the hertz, the FPS was like 24, which that's really bad. All right, I'm cold. I don't know why, but I'm getting cold. It's August already, so should be really getting better next month in October, and then for the winter to come. That was a red light, and I was like, damn. I literally left, went on the red light, and then I saw the guy behind me, and I saw he left right behind me, and I'm like, what the fuck? Like, dude, like I did it wrong, bad, you know. It was some Jello, and then but then dang, you left him red. Oh man, I'm hungry. Not gonna lie, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I really want to eat cottage cheese with granola, but I gotta wait until here. I hope there's fruit in here, because goodness gracious, I haven't eaten fruit in a while, and I really want fruit. I think it's really good for me, so I think I need to buy some. So let's see how much time it's gonna take me to get out of here. I gotta get this, and then I gotta go check on my laundry. I gotta put it on the dryer and get that shit done, so I can keep working on the things that I have to do. Then I want to chill on the night, maybe play some video games or go to sleep early. Yeah, want to nap or like sleep a lot. So all right, I'll see you guys in a minute. Let me park, and from there, let me actually get out of here. God damn, I had to roll the windows down because of the fart. I farted before I get out of the car, and now it's like craziness. Like I opened the door and it was like slap into my face. Like, what the fuck was that? Like, I stink. I'm trying to kind of like get my stomach better and trying to not eat any sugar. I ate some sugar today at the office, but I gotta stop completely stop sugar. I just realized this shit's not recording. I was talking and it wasn't recording. What the fuck? Pisses me off when he does that, for real. I don't know why it does that. And I don't think it's hot, so. Right, these people are going slow, so we're gonna overtake them. Oh, police. Oh, they're just building something. Just construction. Yeah, it's just construction. Right, now I'm gonna enter right here. I love having big highways, like, you know, or have 5 lanes, you know, that you can go and use whatever you want, go anywhere, you know. I hate when it's 2, I hate when it's 3. You don't have that many options. You know, 3 is, you know, way better, but 2 is like, ugh. I went to the beach on Dominican, and it was just literally one to go and one come back, and it was like, what the fuck is this? Like, people going super slow, and then I had a lot of curves, and I'm taking this one because he's gonna take a while to turn right there, so I can overtake him in those couple of seconds. But goodness, I was like, what is this? But here in the United States, like, you have big roads where you can just go, you know, overtake whoever's going slow. You can just, you know, overtake them. So yeah, all right, let me take a little break right here. Yeah, so like I said, he was gonna take a couple minutes to turn right there, so I overtake him already. So I got the lane I need. Damn, that's a big truck. Oh, he was gonna take my side too. Goodness. Alright, so pretty much done now. We're going home. I'm going home to get some food inside of my body and some protein. So let's get this done and kind of chill tonight and do some videos and work towards some stuff that I want to do. So let's get it. See you guys.